Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mobile Nexus. The 2025 Tecno Spark Tech Mobile in white color arrives as a stunning fusion of elegance and technology, capturing attention the moment it is revealed. This new device from Tecno builds on the legacy of the Spark series, but with more refinement, enhanced performance, and a visual aesthetic that represents the brand's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. The first impression of the Tecno Spark Tech in white color is striking. Its glossy finish, paired with subtle shimmering textures beneath the glass surface, reflects light beautifully, giving it a premium and modern appeal. The white variant stands out from the crowd with a purity and minimalism that is both timeless and bold, designed for users who appreciate sophistication and simplicity. The phone's frame is smooth and finely sculpted, contributing to a comfortable grip and a sense of elegance. The device feels lightweight yet durable, with an ergonomic build that makes it easy to handle for extended periods, whether browsing, gaming, or capturing content. The display of the 2025 Tecno Spark Tech Mobile is a major highlight. Featuring a vibrant 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, the visuals come to life with rich color reproduction, deep blacks, and ultra-sharp detail. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels fluid, animations are smooth, and gaming experiences are significantly enhanced. The display is nearly bezel-less, offering an immersive viewing area that makes streaming videos, editing photos, or multitasking a sheer joy. The punch-hole cutout for the front camera is subtly positioned to avoid distractions, giving the user more screen to enjoy. Corning Gorilla Glass protects the display from scratches and accidental drops, further enhancing its durability. Under the hood, the Tecno Spark Tech Mobile is powered by the advanced MediaTek Dimensity T chipset, optimized for performance and efficiency. With an octa-core processor and integrated AI capabilities, the phone delivers smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and enhanced gaming performance. Whether you are navigating through social media, switching between apps, or editing high-resolution videos, the Spark Tech handles it all without lag. The integration of the Mali G68 GPU ensures stunning graphics performance, making the device ideal for mobile gamers who demand high frame rates and detailed visuals. Supporting this powerful setup is 8 GB of RAM, which can be virtually extended up to 16 GB using dynamic RAM expansion. This ensures that background apps remain in memory, allowing for seamless task switching. Storage options start at 256 GB, providing ample space for all your photos, videos, apps, and documents. For users who need even more, the phone supports micro SD expansion up to 1 TB. Running on HIS 13.5 based on Android 14, the Tecno Spark Tech offers a clean, intuitive, and customizable user interface. The system is smooth, responsive, and loaded with features that enhance productivity and security. Features such as split-screen multitasking, intelligent voice assistant, and built-in screen recording add to the overall utility of the phone. Smart gestures and customizable themes allow users to personalize their experience, while system-wide dark mode and adaptive brightness improve usability in all lighting conditions. Security is taken seriously with an in-display fingerprint scanner that unlocks the device instantly, along with AI-powered facial recognition for added convenience. These features are fast, accurate, and reliable, ensuring your data remains safe while giving you quick access to your device. Camera performance on the Tecno Spark Tech Mobile is another standout feature. The rear quad camera setup is led by a 108-megapixel primary sensor that captures incredibly detailed and vibrant images. Supporting this main sensor is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for enhanced portrait photography. The AI camera software optimizes scenes automatically, recognizing different environments and adjusting settings in real time to ensure the best possible shots. Whether capturing a breathtaking landscape, a detailed close-up, or a well-lit portrait, the camera delivers consistently impressive results. Low-light photography is significantly improved with Super Night Mode, which reduces noise and enhances brightness using multi-frame processing. The dual-tone LED flash ensures natural lighting for night shots and close-ups. Video recording capabilities are equally impressive, with support for 4K recording at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, and advanced stabilization powered by EIS. Users can also take advantage of cinematic modes, slow motion, time lapse, and bokeh video effects to add a creative touch to their recordings. On the front, the Tecno Spark Tech houses a 50-megapixel selfie camera with advanced beauty filters and AI enhancements. This camera captures sharp and vibrant selfies even in challenging lighting, and is perfect for video calls, vlogs, and live streaming. Portrait mode, AR stickers, and gesture-based shutter controls make the front camera versatile and fun to use. Battery life is another area where the Tecno Spark Tech excels. Equipped with a large 6000 mAh battery, the phone offers exceptional endurance, easily lasting more than a day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. For moderate users, it can stretch to 2 days, making it ideal for travel, long commutes, or busy work.